Birthday camping adventure starts now! We're camping on a farm in New York I found on the Hip Camp app. Time to set up camp? Looking over a campfire. I'm gonna see how well I can make homemade tortillas over the fire. I'm gonna make sort of a camping omelet with tomatoes and onions and eggs. Homemade tortillas. Avocado. Playing it by ear here. Bacon. Definitely a non-vegan day. Sadly, there's a tropical storm coming, so we had to go home, but we had a wonderful time. There were fireflies in the field last night, and it was like being at a concert and with all the people taking pictures, and everybody was our fans. The fireflies were our fans while we were camping last night. But it's been an amazing weekend. We're gonna have additional adventures since we had to cut our camping trip short, so stay tuned.